It's true, I made $80,000 selling printable wall art. This is something that a lot of people are not going to tell you about. And the crazy thing about it is, I only spent a few $100s to have it created. These days, you don't even have to spend that. Printable wall art is very simple. Once you have it created, you can sell it for the rest of your life an unlimited amount of times. And once you tie platforms like Etsy and Pinterest into the mix, the sky's truly the limit with how much money you can earn. Now, whenever I first started selling printable wall art, I started out selling heavy on Instagram. Instagram was doing good, but it wasn't doing great. It wasn't until I entered the Pinterest and Etsy world till I seen things take off. Now, when I entered the Pinterest and Etsy world, that's when things really started to take off for me and sales really started going crazy. Those are two platforms right there that people have stereotypes about. And those stereotypes right there are keeping a lot of people from making a lot of money. Pinterest is an amazing platform because it's a very visual platform, of course. They're mainly focused on images. So if you have your wall art pinned all over the place, linking to a sales page, that is money in the bank. And that's exactly what I did. If you want to start selling printable wall art, the first thing you want to do though is you want to first choose a niche. Most of the money that I made came from stuff like nursery wall art, gardening, as well as photos like behind me, skyscrapers and cities and stuff like that. Bunch of random different niches. So even though I made $80,000 in a few different niches, I could have made way more focusing on just one niche. Because I noticed a niche that was really exploding for me, and that's the nursery niche. Parents all over the world are looking for cute little nursery wall art for their babies. And if they can find it, and if you can build a store around that, understand that that's a lot of money in the bank. Now, these are not physical prints that we are talking about, so you're not going to be able to sell them for $30 a pop. But you can sell them for $5 to $10 a pop. That scares many people away, but what if you have it on Pinterest? Selling 30 times a day at $10 a pop. Well, that's about $9,000 a month that you'll make right there if you do the math. So the money can be made, and the money will be made as long as you take it seriously. And the good thing about it with printable wall art is it's not an oversaturated market. So while everybody else is focused on selling courses and ebooks, imagine yourself building a printable wall art store and you're getting sales all day, every day. People shopping at your wall art store, and you're just sitting back relaxing while people are pinning and repinning and repinning and repinning your wall art. And also on Etsy, if you decide to do that as well, people are making purchases. That's why this is so powerful, and that's how I made so much money with it, because it's not a super crowded space. And most people, digital marketers, are not even thinking about it. So this is what you want to do. The first thing you want to do is you want to choose a niche. Now remember, I made money with multiple niches, but I could have made way more focusing on one niche. You can use something like Pinterest trends to find a good niche and see what people are looking for. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to trends.pinterest.com and search around, see what's trending, see what's popular. And whenever you see what's popular on a visual platform like Pinterest, that's when you go and outsource, hire somebody to create digital prints within that niche. Now, these days, you really don't even have to do that. You can also try a tool like Leonardo AI to create printable wall art for you. But me personally, I outsource mine on to people on Fiverr. So once you create it via AI or outsource the prints, and of course you have your niche, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and mass create your art. And when I say mass create, I mean 50 prints max, all within the same niche, and you want to start uploading that art for sale. Now these are digital prints once again, and you always want to put that in your description. Before you even upload it for sale, you need a good platform. One of the best platforms out there right now is Selfie. Go to tryselfie.com if you want to check Selfie out. I'm personally partnered with them, so you'll get a good deal whenever you try Selfie. Once you have it uploaded for sale, you want to have some pen graphics created like I mentioned. This is where the strategy really takes off and grows wings, because this is when you really start scaling. Every piece of art that you have, you want 10 pens created for that, 10 graphics. So that's exactly what you'll want to tell the person on Fiverr, or if you are using AI to create these graphics yourself, you want to do it yourself. You'll tell them, if you outsource it, I need 10 graphics for this one piece of art. Well, whenever you have 10 different pieces of art, that's 100 different pens that you'll have on Pinterest out there making money for you. Whenever you have 100 pins on Pinterest, a lot of organic traffic kicks in. Not only that, you can choose a few to boost. And what I like to do is I like to see which one is gaining steam organically, and I'll give it a paid boost. So if I have 100 pins on Pinterest and I got 3 of those pins getting a lot of clicks and a lot of saves on Pinterest, I boost them with $3 a day. I don't even go past that. And whenever I start seeing them sales rolling in and I'm spending $3 a day, $6 a day, and I'm making back $30, $40 a day, that's when I know that I have a winning campaign. This is the power though of selling something like digital wall art, because people are not thinking about it, and you can be the person that create a massive, massive business off of selling $5, $10 prints. So what I challenge you to do is, I challenge you to go ahead and follow these steps. Choose a niche, have the art created or create it yourself, go ahead and upload it for sale, outsource those pins, also list it on Etsy because Etsy is a very powerful platform, and put money in the bank. Those are the steps you got to take. That's really the only thing you have to do in order to start really seeing some serious results selling printable wall art. Whenever you create your description, of course, you can use ChatGPT to create your sales descriptions. You can literally say, give me $100,000 a year sales copy for this printable wall art right here. Whenever you upload that to ChatGPT or really any AI tool, it's going to spit out some sales copy for you that's going to once again put money in the bank for you. So at this point, you can use AI to create the art if you want to, or outsource it. And you can use AI to create the sales copy for you. The only thing you have to do at this point is take action after you choose your niche, and the sky's the limit from that point on. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to make this video and speak on something that I've personally made a ton of money with, right under 6 figures, and that you can copy as well and make a ton of money with also. Now this is not going to be my first video talking about printable wall art, because I personally still sell a little bit of it myself. Even though I'm mainly focused on software and educational content right now and educational products right now, this is something that you can't sleep on, and I'll personally never sleep on it because I know how much money it's made me in a short amount of time. So go ahead and implement this strategy. Go ahead and spark up your printable wall art store. Click on the link in the description below this video if you want to access a bundle that's already created for you. It's a PLR bundle that I created for you. So you can gain access to a few hundred prints that you can start reselling if you don't want to have it created. But yeah, go ahead and hit the link in the description of this video. But keep an eye out, because I will be sharing much more content like this, because again, printable wall art is very powerful and it can change your life in a very short amount of time.